Global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happiness today. As we speak, the government of the country is totally blaming the indigenous people of Biafra for lack of development that is going on in their region, which means by default, the government is blaming IPOB for the negligence they are facing in their region as other regions have started taking shape. In a moment, you're going to find out exactly why this was said and why they have heaped all the blames on IPOB. But before we do that, I'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, according to the news, the Nigerian Minister for Works and Housing, Babatunde Fashola, has blamed the activities of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, for the slow pace of the ongoing construction of the second Niger bridge. Fashola explained the situation during a recent interview with Nigerian journalist Babajide. Nigerian Minister Babatunde Fashola has stated that the second Niger bridge will get completed this year, 2022. Fashola made this revelation during a recent interview. Speaking concerning the project, Fashola said it is vital to point out that the contractor reported that the indigenous people of Biafra's Monday sit-at-home order is affecting the work in the southeastern part. The construction workers lose one day due to the risk posed to construction workers. People have to realize how all this connects to our lives. We do not operate in a bubble as we operate in a real-life situation. However, 52 days, which is Mondays alone, work are lost to just the sit-at-home order. If you have 52 weeks in a year, 52 days is already lost. My God. Now, lots of Nigerians have taken to their social media to react to this. This one, I'm going to take just a few cross-section and let's meet in our comment section. Do you agree with Fashola? This one here is saying, tell us another story. We are used to APC story. Sit at home that started late last year. Was it last year you flag off this your contract? Just tell us you have finished the contract money, not IPOP. This is serious. This one is APC government that can lie with anything. What kind of unnecessary lie is this one now? They say let them continue with the lies. They say IPOB are these fair to Igbo? Then rethink. That's a deep analysis, I must say. This one say, what are you talking about? Which IPOB is slowing down construction of the second Niger bridge? All these politicians can lie unnecessary. This one here say, I will always have something. You will always have something to say. Your government. This one here says, excuses galore. They are shopping for scapegoat after realizing that their much doubted accomplishment in Igbo land is not on target. This one here is APC, this una lie dey una blood though. How about you guys should be serious for once? This one here say what stopped the federal government to dialogue with them since it's even affecting the federal government? This one here say finish finding reason to abandon the project. Another person replied, unnecessary reason. No one is disturbing those people constructing second bridge. The government should stop lying. This one here is saying these people think we don't know what they are doing. This is the main reason the average Southeast wants to exit Nigeria. Nigeria was laid under a wrong foundation by Lord Lugard. Another person said another excuse to cover up their lies. If inauguration of the bridge this April, which they have earlier promised and which sane minds already knew was lies and propaganda, which the APC is known for. This one here says Friday is work free in Kaduna. How about that? This one here says Kaduna State government workers and that did not put any threat to their life. This one here is saying the truth hurts. What's the truth? Please, where is okay, but let's look at this very quickly. Is there a sit at home going on in Southeast? Yes. Does it take place on Mondays? Yes. Do the people obey the sit at home order? Yes. Does it affect any project going on in Southeast, whether federal or state? Yes. Do a number of times APC play propaganda play to the gallery? Yes. Now, if you are used to an employer who likes to throw blames at you, who likes to Anytime a project fails, put it on your table that is simply because you're not up and running, that you're a serious laggard. What do? Make sure you don't give him the excuse. Always clear your table. Whatever documents that comes on your desk, don't keep it hanging. Be up and running. Do your to-do list every day. Ensure you tick them and make sure you accomplish them. That way, no one would, even if your employer or your boss wants to goes on fault-finding mission against you, he won't find any. At some point, he will swallow his pride and acknowledge that he himself is the cause of the whole failure. What am I trying to say? If you want to say that it is the sit at home that is causing projects, especially the second Niger bridge, from being completed, we have out of how many weeks? 52 weeks, just 52 days is gone. Call it 2 months. Things can still be achieved. You can still do overnight. You can do double work shifts. What you lost on Monday can make it up if you really are interested in making that bridge come alive, finish before the time proposed. You can double the work. Man's ingenuity cannot be overemphasized. If a man wants something and is ambitious enough to want to get it, he will get it. Now, projects are being commissioned every other time in other parts of the country. Lagos had one that the president went to commission. Ebonyi have been commissioning things. That second Niger bridge is more than due. If you travel by road and you go through that river Niger bridge, it shakes, it quakes, and that's shaking. That bridge has been in existence for donkey years. And go through maintenance, expansion, reaction, nature, force of nature, and you just know that that bridge, though is a strong one, it needs a second one. It is overloaded. Maintenance may not be as strong as it ought to be because Nigeria, naturally, we don't have that maintenance culture. So if you ask me personally, we all know that the blame game, let's leave sentiment, let's go spade a spade. APC is good in blame games. They will tell you that the debt that Jonathan kept since he became president, it is what they are suffering till now. That Jonathan have spoiled. Okay, Jonathan has gone. When you did your campaign, say you're going to change the story of Nigerians. Okay, how do you go about it? No, you don't get it. It's because Jonathan, they are used to the past government did Nigeria bad. We are still suffering till now. Okay, they are gone. What can you do? We cannot do much because the past government has spoiled it. What's the sense of bringing you in? So they've always been known to Nigerians as fault-finding government who ought to find a way around things. So giving them an excuse, they will hit the whole problem on you, so you are the cause of it. So already the blame game has begun. That IPOB is now the cause for lack of development going on in Southeast. What's your take on this particular premise? Let's put in a comment section. What's your take? Do have a nice time.